Step 1. Visit www.teachwithcomputer.com. Step 2. Buy this book. Step 3. Practice with online videos.
Hello there, my name is Dr. Adam. Do you want to be computer literate? I want to introduce to you a book that is called Practical Computer Knowledge for All Students. The book is so good. Whether you're a student, whether you're a worker, whether you're a director, you can use this book in the comfort of your room and become computer literate. Whether you are computer literate or not, this book is still good for you because there are a lot of things you will learn in this book that you never knew before. It's a beautiful book. It's an ebook that as you read it, almost every topic has a video. You click on a button and it takes you to the video for that topic, and you practice how to carry out that task in the comfort of your room. It's a beautiful book. It contains Microsoft Word for documents, Microsoft Excel for calculations. It has Microsoft PowerPoint for presentations, You want to defend your project, your thesis, you need Microsoft PowerPoint. And the way Microsoft PowerPoint is treated in this book is different from what you've known before. It's not just next slide. You go to a specific slide, you explain, and you come back to the main topic, and you continue with your presentation. I also have in this book, you have web design. You won't be able to design your website and host it by yourself. You have video editing, and you also have animations, all in this one book. Another good thing about the book is that you are entitled to lifetime updates. Once you buy it once, subsequent versions of this book are going to be sent to your email. You just download them and you continue using the book for life. It's a beautiful book. It's a beautiful book. The book is meant for everybody. The major tasks you need, for your business, for your school activities, they are all inbuilt in this book. With the book, you become computer literate.